to fix game stuttering in Marvel Rivals. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is search up settings. Then once you search up settings, just click on that. Then once you're in settings, you're going to go to system. Then once you're in system, you're going to have to go to display. Then once you're in display, you're going to have to scroll down and click on graphics, which is under advanced display. Now from here, you're going to have to click on add desktop app. Now from here, you're going to have to click on local disk. So once you click on local disk, it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on program files. Now from here, if you're on Steam, you're gonna have to click on Steam, but I have it on Epic Games, so I'm gonna click on Epic Games. Then from there, you're gonna have to find the games, which is Multiverse right here. So just click on that. Click on Multiverse. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on Multiverse. Then once you do that, it should come up right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on this, and you're gonna have to click on High Performance. You could also do the same thing for Steam as well, just like I showed you guys. Just go over here. Go on local disk, right? Now from here, you're just gonna have to find Steam and do the same thing. Then once you do that, your game should be fixed and you should have no stuttering problems in Multiverse. If this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.